Principal Moi Jesus High School in Masaba South Sub-County of Kisii County. I would like to inform the public that at Moi Jesus High School we are fully prepared to receive the grade 10 learners who will start reporting to schools on 12th of January this month, that is from Monday. In terms of facilities, we are fully prepared. We have enough accommodation, the dormitories are enough. We have prepared them and we have equipped them with the necessary infrastructure, and therefore we will have no any problem as far as accommodation is concerned. In terms of classrooms, we have adequate classrooms which have been well equipped with lockers and chairs. They are well labeled, and we hope that the process of placing these learners in the school will be smooth. The government of Kenya through the Ministry of Education has given us, as we talk, 751 learners who will be placed in our institution. So I would like to observe that our capacity is slightly higher. We could be in a position to accommodate more, and we have remained very firm in observing the ministerial guidelines on placement. That is placing learners in schools through the online platform. And therefore, we have been experiencing a lot of pressure from parents and guardians who have been having a desire to have their sons to learn in this school. We have overwhelming requests in terms of application, and we have done our best to upload the requests in the online platform. And we hope that the ministry will be able to expand our capacity on the online platform so that we are able to accommodate, because we have enough facilities in terms of accommodation, in terms of personnel, in terms of classrooms. We have enough. We have new learning areas which we have not been offering as a school before in the new CBE curriculum, like building and construction. We have home science, we have sign language and music, among others. We have already sourced for personnel, qualified teachers who will be able to engage the new learners as they report. The government has acted timely, and the textbooks have already been delivered in our school, and I believe it is the same case with the other schools in the country across, and therefore we foresee no any hitch as far as the placement exercise is concerned. We have put all the logistics in place as far as the receiving of these learners is concerned, and it is our belief that the exercise will be seamless, and the parents will find it very appropriate, and they will be able to place the learners in schools and be able to get back to their destination. To welcome all those parents and the learners who have been placed at Moi Jesus High School, I want to extend a very warm welcome. We are ready for you, and please feel welcome.
Really welcome the grade 9s, and we believe that as time goes, we are going to shine and shine and shine. Our Board of Management, our PA team, thank you so much for the good work during year 2025.
Nikuja hapa kitu saa 2:30, mimi naona exercise inaendelea vizuri. Wanafuata laini moja kwa moja, wanaanza kukagua vitu za wanafunzi. Sasa mimi naelekea kumaliza, sasa mimi naona exercise